Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever designed a beautiful presentation in Canva, maybe for school, work, or side project, you might wish there were an easy way to get it into PowerPoint while keeping all those smooth animations intact. Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to export your Canva presentation and import it into PowerPoint with all your animations, so your slides look just as lively in PowerPoint as they do in Canva. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. Don't worry, it's free and it only takes a minute. Once you're in, look for the Create button. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva. Go ahead and click it. From the list of options, select Presentation. This sets up your workspace with the right dimensions and tools for making slides, just like you'd have in PowerPoint. Now comes the fun part, templates. Canva is famous for its huge selection of beautifully designed templates, so scroll through the list until you find one that fits your style or purpose. Maybe you're making something professional for a meeting, or maybe you want something colorful and creative for class. Whatever it is, pick a design that excites you. Once you've selected a template, it'll load up all the pre-made slides for you. But remember, a template is just a starting point. You can absolutely edit anything: text, images, colors, and even the animations themselves. Spend some time making the presentation yours. You might want to swap out placeholder images, update the text with your own content, and play around with the animations to get things just right. Now that you've polished your slides and you're happy with the result, let's get ready to export. Here, where the magic happens. Instead of downloading as a basic PowerPoint file, which can sometimes lose some animation effects, we're going to export it as an MP4 video. This is done by clicking on the Share button, usually found in the top right corner. From there, choose Download and then select MP4 as the file type. What this does is bake all your animations directly into the video, so you don't lose the movement and transitions you painstakingly added in Canva. It might take a moment to render, especially if your presentation is on the longer side, so don't worry if you see a little loading wheel for a while. Once your video has downloaded, we're ready to move over to PowerPoint. Go ahead and open a new or existing PowerPoint presentation. Here's a little trick: not everyone knows this, but you can easily insert your MP4 video right into a slide. Just click on Insert, choose Video, and then select your downloaded MP4 file. Place it wherever you like on your slide. Now, when you present in PowerPoint, the video will play with all the original Canva animations just as you designed them. It's a great workaround for Canva's limited direct PowerPoint animation exporting, and it ensures your audience gets the full visual experience you intended. And that's it, you've seamlessly brought your animated Canva design into PowerPoint. Remember, this method is especially useful when you want to preserve all those smooth transitions and elements that sometimes get lost in direct PowerPoint exports. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.